I have a quick tutorial for you today on the constrictor knot. It's the knot I use to hang this wall hanging. I show you the knot first, and then I also show you how I do it on the wall hanging. To do the constrictor knot, put your cord over the dowel, pull it down a decent length because it needs to go back over the dowel, forming an X shape around in front of the cord that's dangling down, and then in behind the X. And then pull the cord up and down at the same time, and you've made the constrictor knot. Now, if you're doing this for a wall hanging, you take the other end, pull it over the other side of the dowel, pull it down, giving it enough length, pull it over, making your X around in front of the cord that's dangling down, and now pull it behind the X, and pull both ends, and pull it tight. And then you would trim both of these ends. I'll show you how I use a constrictor knot on this wall hanging. I flip my wall hanging over to the back side. I do this with my wall hanging upside down. Place my cord on top. I pull the cord around the back. Make the X around the back, over the cord, and now through the X. Now pull the top and bottom tight. Then I just push it close to the other cords. And on the other side, it looks like a pair just like the others. Now I'll take my cord to the other side of the wall hanging, around, make the X, around the back, over the cord, and then again through the X. And pull those cords snug. Here's how it looks from the other side. These knots are very snug. They're not gonna loosen up. I trim the excess off, and you're done. Typically I put glue on knots, but for this I don't feel like I need to. I hope you got value from this video today. If you have any feedback for me, please leave it in the comments below.